Are you tired they wipe for hours and hours all your balloons and your balloons take longer to get beautiful and shinier? I'm Edward Munoz and I got the solution. Don't need to wipe or use a glove. It's the new Hi-Shine from the Hi-Float family. Keep latex shiner for weeks and weeks. It's easy to apply. Just a little bit, and those look shinier than the first time when you inflate the latex. The Hi-Shine prevents the oxidized balloon and restore the oxidized balloon. It's safe and not toxic. All your balloons will look beautiful and shinier. I made this column 24 hours ago, and I keep all those balloons outside for 24 hours. You see how all the balloons look oxidized. After 24 hours, I apply my Hi-Shine, and this is the result. You will see the difference. Now you have a beautiful balloon, shinier than ever. The Hi-Shine is available now here in Burton & Burton. Spray is so bright and shiny, and walk away.